Yeah, no,
When
you
they
have
start
to
running
wait.
to the bathroom, that's when I'm like,
Yeah,
yes.
before you can eat the next one. And he's going.
Oh, he's done. He's done.
Yeah, he's done.
None.
Yeah, he's done.
He's
I got
done.
He's
about
done.
90% of my
So this head is
Yeah, he's
sweating like
sweating.
crazy.
Okay.
I'm sweating. Oh my god. Yes.
I would have given you my camera, have the timer and everything.
Shaking starting right now.
He's alright. He's doing alright. He's doing alright. Oh, no. You got him. It's a challenge. Done.
It ain't easy.
No, I told the lip side, that's when you know it's finished.
No, first, the lip, that's the worst part about it.
Yeah,
The lip.
it's burning.
He don't lick. Let him.
He gave up. He's still out.
Right?
Look, he's
Time
crying.
to start it.
You gotta wait a minute.
They have waivers now?
Is there any way I could get more milk?
Yeah.
How you feeling over there, buddy?
Awful. Absolutely awful.
Alright, no
He's got
problem.
tears in his eyes.
It's okay.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, we get it on there. That sucks.
You start using all your napkins.
Alright, you can use those as much as you want.
Where's the timer?
You're at 30 seconds right now. 1 minute.
That's wait 1 minute in between the wings. You can't just get all 5. You gotta win a minute.
And you finished 2 so far, right?
You got 10 seconds
Yep.
to
Same
start.
here, 10 seconds.
Yep.
It's snow from here.
Dude, I had to leave the back because I told him to put it in there and wash it. There we go.
You can't quit now. You're in your 3rd wing.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He's doing amazing.
What?
He's doing amazing. These things are unbelievable.
Shaking starting.
I hate milk right now.
Shaking your legs? I told you, once the lips start quivering, it's a wrap.
I want to come here one day with my friend while he's off and see him do it.
No, I know somebody that could do this.
I know someone who could do it too.
He's shaking. He's shaking.
Good for the shark teeth.
Oh. Yeah, I think you need one more wing. You need one more wing, man.
No, he has 2 more.
Here you go, here's 2? Yeah, okay.
I'm done recording.
You might be the first, man. Oh.
Cover your eyes, man.
Crazy. You're sweating from watching him do it.
I feel for him. Oh, no, do. Be careful while you're rubbing your eyes.
yeah.
Because, you know, because I've seen that that's how a girl lost the last time. Because if you rub it, that's you're done.
That would be
It's time,
hilarious.
no, it would call 911 time.
Yeah.
Because if you look girl right there, she would
Yeah.
red, and then she went like this. To wipe the tear out of her,
10 seconds.
and she rubbed the sauce on it. It was like,
Here?
yeah. It was like, screw you were here.
Oh, I missed all this.
Go.
There we go. Dude, the moment you leave, I'm throwing this on YouTube. I'm like, first winner. First winner at Levittown Hurricane Games.
No, they said they've been like
To
2
get like
people.
something on the wall.
No, that's what I told you to start
No,
doing.
they're
So you should
gonna.
start
Yeah.
like,
Eventually,
like a
though.
picture or something.
When they gotta make it hotter first.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Nothing.
You upset him with that comment.
The guy they need
Listen,
the guy
this
from Maine
sauce
versus
is
Food.
actually milder than the
That'd be
first one
awesome.
we had.
Really? Wild.
Really, you guys
It
have
is like,
It's gotta be edible,
no, it's hot. But the other one we had, the first one we made, it was extremely hot.
No, I'm straight.
That was the original recipe we
And
made.
I made that. And I made it. I was like, I come out and
John
see it.
made.
Or when he put the, then you sprinkle it on the outside too, like the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some people still eat it like that.
That's good.
I mean, it is, but it's. Do it. I mean,
Keep that fried. Keep that fried.
Get what's the name? Courtney? Oh, you want to see them? I got it. You need? All right. Just be careful, because I see you like getting awfully close. You're there, man. You're in the home stretch right now, man.
You got that trick.
You're in the home stretch right now, folks. Last one.
Is it over when he finishes the last one or minute after?
Ready?
Wait another minute, and then he can drink.
It has to be a minute. It's like the last one has to be the minute, and then you can start drinking.
How much time?
10 seconds.
There we go.
Man. You got about a minute and a half. Almost there.
Final minute.
Go. And then you can time him on the other.
Yeah, I got it. That's what I do. You know, when I'm here, somebody this is the third. If he finishes, he'll be the third person. And I'll throw it on you real quick.
Wait, how many people have tried? Did you say?
How many people have tried?
Yeah.
I've heard something like 60.
60?
60. And then the only people that have done it is 3.
That's insane.
I know, but here's the whole thing too.
And that's not in this
I'm going to
restaurant.
bring you
That's
this
the
too.
whole chain, right?
In about 5 minutes, he decides to get sick. It's ball bets are off.
What?
Yeah, if you get sick, or you can throw up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, all bets are off too. You can't get sick. I'm just trying to tell you, 'cause a lot of people are like, oh, all right, I'm done. And they drink the milk. And
A lot of people run outside.
and they run outside and puke. So,
That means he didn't win.
if you puke, basically not. I mean, we're just a challenge. Up. Here we go. He's almost there. He's almost there.
You got it, Keith. You got
Once he's done, you have to wait a minute. And then we gotta wait a minute. All right, you're done? Okay, now you just gotta wait a minute.
Take those.
You can drink your milk.
You can
Yeah,
drink your milk.
take that off.
She's got to wait a minute and then he wins.
Roberto. You got it. You got it. You got a little, about 40 seconds and it's done.
Drinking it amazing.
What's your name?
Keith.
How was it, Keith?
Oh, that was fucking awful. It's probably one of my dumbest ideas, and I have jumped out of a plane.
Several
It's probably
times.
one of my dumbest ideas, yeah.
Anything to tell anybody out there?
Can't even talk.
All right.
Can't talk.
Don't try.
Don't do it.
Give me, how much?
How much longer does he have?
He has about 8 seconds.
8 seconds. Drink your milk.
4, 3, 2, 1.
What's that?
Congratulations.